Good morning. I am going to go over this is for mainly first period because you couldn't meet with me today. So, what I've done is I've set up some example problems that I posted online, and you would have to write these down, or if you can print them off, that works too. But if you'll see behind me, I've gone ahead and I've started with addition. I'm going to separate these into short little snippets because I'm limited on board space. So I have got the addition part, solving and addition, written out for you. So if you'll notice in my first one, the first thing that happens here is that we have a minus sign. And this is not an addition, it's technically a subtraction. So I want to make it an addition. To do that, I have to distribute this negative all the way through everything over here. So that means it's going to change the sign of not just the first two, but everything in here. So watch what I do. I have gone in and I've changed the sign on everything I have. Now I simply, because that became plus, now simply all I have to do is add. Let's see if this color works. All right, so I have my 0 and -5 makes -5. 4 and -3 make 1. 1 and 5 makes 6. 0, -5 makes -5. There's the top row. So you should be able to get the second row. I'm just adding 5 and -4, -9, 3 and 6. So you can see the ones I'm adding. Okay, -3 plus 6 is 3. 4 -4 makes 0. First answer. Okay. The next one I did was actually happened to be a column matrix. There are two column matrices being added. And as long as if there's only one, they both have to have 4 in them. To add, you have to have same dimensions. So just simply that is already an addition. So all I have to do is add. So -4 plus 3 is -1. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. -3, -4 make 7. There's my answer, column matrix. In this last one, and I'm hoping you can see this, okay? Try to get it a little bit closer. All right. So I have negative, if you'll notice, I have a row matrix, okay, a 1 by 4, and a 2 by 2, a square matrix. Guys, the dimensions of these things are not the same. It's easily seen. So there is no solution. It is not possible to add these. All right. So hold on 2 seconds. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at this. This is the only size marker board I have at my house. So it's what I am working with. All right. So on this one, I hope it's dark enough. Again, I'm a bit concerned that it's not. I think I just pulled it the wrong way. There we go. Okay, so on this one, this says -4 times x. This is for solving. This is the first two examples for solving. We have -4x equals this. Well, normally what we would do is divide by -4. Well, if I divide, that's kind of weird. I guess you could, I don't like to do it. It's multiplying by 1 over -4. Okay? It's dividing each piece of this by -4. So 16 divided by -4 is equal to 4. 24 divided by -4 is -6. Final answer. On this one, it's solving for variables. And what you have to do on this one is multiply through 2 times all of this. Well, first of all, 2 times all of this. I hope I have enough room to solve this. 2 times all of this, 6, 8, 2y, negative 2. So I multiplied 2 times everything in here. All right. Then I'm going to add it to this. Well, if you want to repeat it, you can. 1, 4, 3x negative 2. I'm going to repeat it, and this is going to be 7. I'm adding the 2 because this is a 2 by 2 plus a 2 by 2. So I've got 7 and 3x plus 8. If you said 8 plus 3x, that's okay. You can do that. 2y plus 4 and negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. All I'm going to do is repeat that one. Okay. There we go. This is equal to 7, negative 8, 20, and negative 4. Okay. I've repeated it. So now I should have anything that's just a number equal to just the number on the other side. That's the definition of equal matrices. So those are equal. So now what I'm going to do is set my x piece, 3x plus 8 equals 20. You see this? I set those equal. And then I'm also going to set my y's, these, equal to negative 8. Okay? So the y's is 2y plus 4 equals negative 8. Now, with this said, I've got two equations. I've got an x equation and a y equation. If I solve this, I would subtract 8 from each side. So 3x is equal to 12 and x equals 4 when I divide by 3. Okay, there's the y. The next one is the x. That was the x. Excuse me, I did say that, didn't I? I said it backwards. Subtract the 4, 2y equals negative 12. Divide by 2, y equals negative 6. Okay, that's the review for adding and for solving. And I am going to make another video on multiplying, then another one for doing Kramer's rule. So 3 separate short little videos. All right. Have a good day, those of you at home. Hang on, I think I've got to let this go. Hopefully it won't fall.